Today, we'll turn a regular photo into a simple cartoon using Photoshop. I've already added a transparent image to get started. Make sure the image layer is selected. Then, go to the Filter menu and choose Liquify. Now we'll use the pucker tool to shrink the body slightly, so it looks more cartoonish. This is good enough. You can adjust it however you like. Now select the Face tool. After selecting it, you'll see white handles on the nose, face, eyes, and lips. You just need to play around with them to make the face look funny. For now, I'll make all the facial features look bigger. Now it's starting to look like a simple, funny cartoon. Now go to Filter and select Filter Gallery. Now select Poster Edges. For now, I'll keep Posterization at 3 to give it more of a cartoon-like feel. Now go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Hue Saturation. Increase the saturation to make the colors in the image more vibrant. Now go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Match Color. Here, increase the color intensity and also slightly increase the fade. Simple. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.